Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a 3/4 block figure of female. So let's get started. First of all, I will create a line of 9 inches. Here I'll mark 9 inch and we'll mark on every inch of here. Uh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here I have marked 9 inch. So now let's make head. 0.5 inches left, 0.5 inches right, and here as well 0.5 inches left, 0.5 inches right. Now join those lines. Then mark 1.5 inch and 1.25 inch, and then 2.25 inch, and then 4.25 inch, half of 3 and 4 midpoint, and then 6.5. Okay. Now here 0.25 inches left, 0.25 inches right, and join these lines. Then 0.5 here, 0.5 inches left, and 1 inch from right, and then 1 inch from right, and join these lines. At 3rd inch we'll take 0.5 inches left, 0.5 inch right. Straight line, and this line as well, join this. And then here we'll take, just like in any other, 0.625 inches. 0.625, 0.625. And here join the line, and here as well we'll join the line. Now from here we'll create a straight line, and then here in the midpoint of 6 and 7 inch we'll mark and create a line of 0.5 inch from here, 0.5 inch from here, and then join these lines. Here 0.25 inches from both of the sides, and here. And now as it is 3/4, we have to make some changes here. We'll go 0.25 inches left side, 0.25 inches left side, and create a line like and here as well. And then just like in any other, .5 inches till elbow and 1.5 inches till palm, and then 0.5 inches. And here we do not need to make any line for hand, as the hand will be behind the block. And finally 0.5 inches down, 0.5 inches left and right, 9. And here we have the 3/4 block figure of female. So guys, I hope this video was very informative to you, and please do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more such videos that is directly related to fashion illustration. Thank you so much for watching this video.